Welcome down to Funland Hayling Island. We're back here again. It's been actually a couple of weeks since we were last here. In fact, it might have been a bit longer, but of course, it is now reopened, the Log Flume. So we've come down and checked a few things. The progress on Aztec Falls, which the theme on that was waiting to go up last time we were here, and we understand more has been added. And of course, the Log Flume re-theme as well, which has now taken place and is now open at the park. We can't wait to experience it. Let's get in there, and of course, we're gonna have to give it a ride. Now, our first point of call before we get to the Log Flume is the Aztec Falls. As you can see, the theme has arrived. So whilst no one's on it, whilst it's in between cycles, let's just have a quick look. This is beautiful. This is absolutely beautiful with the snake. And then we'll come up and obviously have a look at the backdrop. Well, the backdrop over the back is obviously the same as what was on here before. We've had Aztec Falls put on here as well. Yeah, that looks awesome. Awesome the way this is put out. It's just really, really nice. Really nice. Finishes off this ride beautifully down the bottom end of the park, obviously next to the spinning coaster. Look at that. Love that. Love that.
There we are. It's jungle splash. He lets us out.
So here is the brand new Jungle Splash. I have to say, it does look a lot more bright and friendly in here as the wave comes through. Some lovely models. You'll see these as you go around the ride. Some posters. Yeah, lovely and fresh. Lovely and fresh. Oh, can't wait for this. Can't wait to get soaked on this today. Right, here we go, the Jungle Splash re-theme. So you'll look at the boats first. The boats have been completely redone. The green is lovely. You'll see the front of them then. The front look absolutely fantastic. They really, really did. And we know we've got some new scenery around. The station is looking brilliant. I love the station. I genuinely think that is looking brilliant. Much more friendly than Flume of Doom. Whilst I don't mind the horror, as you know, because I'm a big fan of Destination Z. You know, this is lovely. This is lovely, look. Now we are going to see some models as we go around, and we'll show you everything else we can show you at the same time. A lot of aspects remain. However, there is going to be some more bits coming in. We know there's some penguins coming in just around the corner here, which aren't here quite yet, but it is looking so much fresh. So much more fresh than it was before. Which is great. It's great to see it open, in honesty. Back where it belongs, part of the lineup for this year. But look at the models, look. I mean, these aren't cheap, these models. I think it's worth pointing out that you see these around, they're not cheap at all. The foliage works really, really well with the jungle theme, and it's been tidied up nicely around the back. So there is still a little bit of painting to do down the sides here. That's mainly because of the weather. The weather's been atrocious here on the south coast. For anyone that hasn't been down this way, the weather's been absolutely atrocious. You saw us at Chesington the other day. You'll kind of fully understand exactly what we mean by how bad the weather's been. But all this has been tidied up. We've got some lovely wood bark. And these fantastic models. Look at this, look. These are great, these are. As we come down to sort of your main set. So yeah, all the jungle ropes have been added in here. As you can see, the bark has been put down for a little path down to Dingo Danes, which is the outlet shop here for the jungle. And again, you'll see models as you come round. So there are going to be some penguins here shortly. They're not here quite yet. And obviously all the waste that's been dumped. Jungle waste, right. Now, as we know, I'm going to get soaked on this. You can probably see I've come from work. Oh, make sure I don't lose my phone. Oh my God, that's cold. I'm going to get absolutely soaked on this. That's just kind of expected now. And there's a barrel just at the bottom which pumps out water. I can't say I've never seen it before, but I noticed it earlier. Oh, it doesn't bode well, does it? But even looking for it from up here, the hut looks brilliant. The hut looks really, really good. Got a lot of water. This might not end well for me. But just check out this barrel, look. Whee! Oh! Yeah, checking out that barrel. Never seen it pump water out before, and as you can see, there is some more stuff around here as well. Yeah, love it. Absolutely love it. I am soaked, obviously. I don't really think we expected anything else. So yeah, a little bit more painting to do, but looks 1,000 times better. Even from the building from this side, look, all the bits of, all the foliage has been put on the side, everything's been painted up green. As we sort of roll back into the station, absolutely soaking wet. And even the boats, look, the boats are obviously numbered, and a lot of people don't realise that, but you've got a little theme on the back, look at this. Love it, absolutely love it. Right, let's try the camera off. Oh my life, that's just gone down my butt. Oh my god, that's really bad. All right, try the camera off and show the outside. How good do the boats look? The artwork on the boats is really good. You can see all brand new wheels across the bottom as well. As we said on the back, all the boats are numbered. A nice little extra on, which is great. But of course the splash main's the same, so as we look over you can see sort of the back end here with the hut here, and all this fencing's been redone down here. As I said, there is a little bit more work left to do, and then we'll go and have a look at the giraffe right there. These guys are going to get wet, but the fronts look brilliant, they really do. Love it, absolutely love it. So this bit is magnificent. You've got jungle splash water in a hole here, and you can see the water coming out there, but look at this giraffe, look. This is brilliant, this really is. This really is brilliant, I absolutely love that. I can stand back a bit because I think the boat's about to come down. And you've got the new wood around the sides, you've got the netting over the top. Yeah, 100% better. Really, really fantastic looking, really fantastic looking. And there's the new entrance there for the jungle splash. Right, we've been on. Let's get out the park now, it's really busy. Now, as you've probably seen, it's really, really busy in the park, but there we go, there we go. Jungle Splash, open now for 2023. It's great to see the Log Flume back open, and the theme on it is fantastic. It really, really is. It's really brightened it up. It's opened up the entrance area, which was previously boarded for Flume of Doom, and just given it a bit of colour and a lease of life. The models are fantastic. They really, really are, and the artwork on the boat is really to be admired, right the way from the front to the leaves down the side, the green. Yeah, and there is still more to come, so we will come back down and check it out. It's as much of a soaker as what it was first time round. I am still absolutely drenched, but massive improvements. Great credit to the park for getting it back open as well, and all the work that's happened on it over the last couple of months. Then of course Aztec Falls, which we saw as well at the start of the video. How good does that look as well? The rest of the theming, which came with the ride from Paulton's, is back on it as well, and a brand new sign across the arms is also on there. Yeah, it looks really, really nice with the snake at the front and the extra theming and vines put in. I tell you what, some really, really good work by the park. Are you coming down? We have heard that the other ride will arrive soon. The other ride will be back soon, hopefully, fingers crossed. It will be back. But are you coming down to Funland Hayling Island? Have you been already? We love coming down here, as you know, and it's some great work by the park on these two rides, the brand new rides for 2023, or re-theme for 2023. If you like the video, please remember, give it a like. It really, really helps us against the YouTube algorithm, and we'll see you next time.